It's 2025. Power outages and high energy costs have made many SMEs consider switching to solar. Are you also thinking solar? Here's a step-by-step guide to making the switch. Step 1. Assess your daytime and nighttime energy consumption. Use the earthbond.co/SMB energy calculator to get accurate insights. Step 2. Choose a suitable payment model. Earthbond offers a flexible solar plan with as low as 10% down payment and up to 48 months payment terms. Step 3. Evaluate your business site. Check the roof for proper space, sun exposure, and structural strength. Step 4. Acquire a suitable solar system comprising of panels, inverters, and lithium batteries, and get a certified solar technician to handle the installation. Step 5. Stay powered with reliable solar. Enjoy smooth business operations, consistent power supply, and over 60% reduction in energy expenses. Are you ready to start? Visit earthbond.co/SMB to access your energy needs, or you can send a WhatsApp chat to 0903 560 6553.